Hey everyone, thanks for coming back. Thank you for all the people who have subscribed to the channel. There's been a recent bump on my last video here, so I'm really pleased with that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Help small little channel out. Here we have the Vaer C5 Field Black. They reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in doing a review on one of their watches. And I looked through their company and surprisingly enough, I had already been looking at their watches. I think they make really nice watches. They sent me the C5 Solar Movement, which is actually really nice. I think the cells will last 7 to 12 years, so there's a long time before you have to worry about replacing any batteries. These are designed and assembled in the United States. Globally sourced parts, fully assembled in the States. Really nice to see that, you know, jobs are being created. How it wears is very nice. First off, this strap is the canvas strap, but it's like a nylon seat belt almost. But it's very durable, it's very soft, and it's quite comfortable. It also came with the silicone strap, which is, again, really comfortable. And I'm wearing khaki pants today, so I figured I'd try and match the wristband up. Sapphire crystal with an AR coating, a dome, single dome. It has wicked lume, really legible watch to read, and I've just really enjoyed wearing it around. You can tell it's made with some quality materials. Stainless steel. What else is it? Oh, it's 100 meter water resistance and a screw down crown. Their slogan is ocean ready, and they say you can go right into the water with these things. With 100 meter water resistance, there's no problems there. You're getting a lot for what you pay for these things. The similar like Hamilton quartz style watch is still more money than this, and I think this has just way more features. It has the screw down crown, the AR coating that the Hamilton doesn't have. It has twice the water resistance. Like it's a really nice and well made watch. It has these really nice bands. Quick release is just super easy to deal with. So you make sure that that's at 12 o'clock. You want the buckle at 12. Done. Done. All their watches use the same size strap, so they're interchangeable, which is just a nice little bonus. But this one, it just kind of glides. Like I thought it was going to be kind of problematic with sticking and pulling at hair, and it does not at all. It's really nice, got a little bit of flex to it. It's super comfortable. It would be great for when you're in the water. So with this watch, 6 hours of sunlight will give 6 months of power reserve. That is incredible. They say this thing can actually charge on candlelight. Like it's that efficient. This is going to be a very dependable tool watch. And I mean, you can clearly tell the inspiration. It's got the 24-hour increments on the inside, and it does have the minutes increments on the outside. It's a 40 mil case, 48 mil lug, 20 mil strap. I've had this thing on for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, I think. I'm pretty rough on my watches. There's a mark here and there. The crystal, it's immaculate. There hasn't been anything wrong with that. And the nice thing about this being a quartz, solar quartz, the accuracy is like plus or minus 10 seconds, plus 20 seconds a month. You can get that on an automatic watch in a day. I'm super pleased with this watch. If you guys want, I'll have a link down to their website below. It's not going to be a sponsored link or anything like that. The fact that these guys sent me this watch doesn't mean that they haven't seen anything. They haven't told me what to say. They haven't given me any direction whatsoever. This is just a simple, we think you'll like our watch. Why don't you check it out? So they did, and now here I am. All I can say is I really do love this watch. It is, you're gonna see it in basically almost all my videos. I want to thank the guys over at Vaer, and thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks again. Bye. There's a guy cutting a tree in my neighbor's yard. All right, let's try that out.